Welcome everybody to Gonzalez Science. I hope you had a great Monday. I hope your day went good in school, and whoever else is watching, again, I'm Gonzalez. I do experiments 2 to 3 times a week. Post them online. If you haven't already, go ahead and tell your friends, have them to subscribe, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I update videos on a weekly basis. So today's experiment is very simple. It's actually very similar to the baster bulb one that we did a week ago. So what we've got here is this is from a barbecue. This is a barbecue lighter. I've taken from a lamp, I cut it off. I took kind of a lamp cord. And then this right here, most of you probably don't know what this is, but it's actually the way that film was developed. There was a time many years ago when film was not digital, but you put the film canister inside here, the film went inside, here's the cap, you give it to a person at the store, they develop the film and give it back to you. So if you don't know what that is, it's an old film canister that I got from CVS. There's some places that actually still do develop film the older way instead of doing it digital. So a little bit of a history lesson for you on digital film and the film canister and what that does. So anyways, so what this does right here, once you hit the button, there'll be a small little spark. And so I'll come a little bit closer so you can see that spark on the camera. So here's that spark again. See if we can kind of see that. Yeah, there it is, right there. So there's a small spark. You can kind of faintly see it. Okay, and that small spark, what we're gonna do with that puppy, we're gonna take it, we're gonna add some fuel inside of the film canister, and that fuel happens to be the isopropyl alcohol, 91%, back in the little hairspray or the spray bottle that I got from the salon just for this experiment and the previous one. And we're gonna do 2 sprays inside here. We're gonna close it, we're gonna set it off, and that spark is gonna ignite it. So let's try that right now together. So I'm gonna take 2 sprays. There we go, 1, 2. We've got our fuel. We've got oxygen. Now what I want to do is I'm going to actually squeeze the film canister because I want that liquid to become a gas, right? So I want it to vaporize right now, and that's why I'm applying some heat with my hand, and then I'm going to shoot it off, and you're going to hear this amazing bang, bang, just a real loud bang. So cover your ears if you're afraid. It'll be like 4th of July. All right, here we go. Let's check it out. Woo! Wow. Let's do it again. All right, so let's do it again. Here we go, 2 sprays, boom, boom. Make sure we got a spark still. There we go. Check it out. Boom, boom. Remember, we gotta hold it, vaporize it, push the button. Okay. All right, aim it and fire. Whoa, man. Find that. Jeez Louise. All right, so here it is. Grab it again. Now sometimes I'll test it. Man, this is hot. Hot to the touch, by the way, because there's so much heat coming off from this exothermic reaction. Again, exo, the prefix of the word means out, so there's heat coming out of this. Let's see, sometimes you can actually do it without spraying. Maybe we can do it, we can try and see. So let's see. Nope. So let's just do it one more time, and this will be the final time, and then we'll say goodbye today with each other. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Okay, heat it up now with my hand, vaporize it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, here we go. Aim it at you. Boom. So it's a really cool experiment. Again, the products being created are water and carbon dioxide. For any typical combustion, those are the products that are created. So again, this is called the Piezo Popper. Really easy to make, really easy to do. The hardest thing to find is the barbecue lighter that you can find on any barbecue. So again, I hope you enjoyed the experiment. I did. It was a blast. Sorry. Have a great rest of the day, everybody.